Kristen here. I wanted to share with you guys a really simple, amazing anti-aging cream. Of course with my favorite, Mr. Frank over here. I know you hear me when I am out there and I see all of these eye creams, what we can put on, you know, before we go to bed to help with the wrinkles and the aging and all of these things that we're all experiencing. And then you see the price tag too. I'm like, oh my God. Of course, I've found this recipe and I just had to share with you guys how simple. It's 3 ingredients. Of course, frankincense being the king of the ingredients here. And we're only going to use really a few drops. So when you consider the value that I've spent here in these 3 ingredients, it's so worth the like 10 minutes that it takes to put together. Of course, I've sped it up a little bit for you guys here. So I already have coconut. Here I'm using the 100% virgin coconut oil. I've double broiled it down. It's nice and liquid now, so I can mix it all together with the frankincense. And the other key ingredient that I wanted to point out was pure vitamin E oil. I picked this up just at the health food store, so I think it was $12. And I'm really only using a little bit here, so I can make a number of batches of this if I want. I'm just going to start small though, because I don't want to make up too much beforehand. So I've just got a little container. I'm going to try and keep it in. Plastic probably isn't the best, but if you have a glass container, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put it in here because I'm going to make a small batch, but I'll make a big batch in a nice metal or glass container later. So I put in 2.5 tablespoons just of this coconut oil, broiled it down so it's nice and liquid here. And then in my container, I just poured out, I'm gonna probably estimate maybe a tablespoon, maybe not even quite that, of the pure vitamin E oil. It's my second time actually doing this recipe. So the first one was, you know, maybe just a little bit more vitamin E than I wanted in the first batch. I probably did equal amounts in the first batch. So you kind of will do these DIYs and you'll learn what works and what you like and the texture you like. So all I'm simply going to do, I put the vitamin E oil in here already. I'm going to try not to burn myself. We'll see how that goes. Oh. And I'm just going to put my very hot, maybe I should have put on some gloves for this. Might be a fun video to watch later. So I'm just going to put the coconut oil into the container there. And then I'm going to set that off to the side. I've already got the stove off, don't worry. And then here, guys, we're going to take our frankincense oil. Gotta love DIYs. Take your frankincense oil. And I just want to put in, I'm going to put in this batch here, probably about 30 to 40 drops. My bottle here has 250 drops in it, so I've got plenty, and frankincense is on every single LRP order that I do, so I'm never worried about running out. And that should be good there. So, just going to take my spoon, I'm just going to make sure that I blend it all together here. And as soon as you get that kind of nice blend, nice consistency, all I want to simply do is just let that cool. I'm going to set it aside for the night. By tomorrow it should be nice and hardened a little bit, so I can just simply use it like a nice cream. And I put it just under my eyes before I go to bed. I also am then benefiting from the aroma of the frankincense, not only the cellular and skin repair that it can help with, but just the aroma is just so grounding, so beautiful before I go to bed. Really, you can use it even before you go to work in the morning. So what you would do is just apply it, let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes if you can while you're doing your other errands in the morning, and then you can go and apply your makeup or whatever, get ready for your day. So I'm really excited to share with you my 3 recipe anti-aging cream using doTERRA frankincense. Thank you guys so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.